Hello, my name is Santana Mullins, and I'm a student at the University of West Alabama. This is my Mullins Magnetic Communicator, which is also known as the MMC. So the innovation of the MMC device. It is similar to other communication devices available on the market, as you know, it has the icons like most of your communication devices. It's different because it's a slant board, and it can be individualized for students based on their needs at both home and school. And I'll talk about how they can be used at both home and school later in this presentation. Another unique thing about this, it is magnetic, and it includes a texture loop for finger or wand placement. So it's easy, students are easily able to grasp the icons, and it can also be used with the wand in the student's mouth to either point at or grasp the icons using that loop. So what is the purpose of the MMC device? When researching and looking up things and just experience with, students, there's a lack of devices for students who struggle with fine motor skills or struggle with moving their fingers, like that of their typical peers. And also, this device was created to assist with communication for students who are both nonverbal and have physical disabilities. I don't think you have many devices who can, do both. So have physical disabilities with moving with their hands or their fingers. This device also meets the basic needs in that it allows students to communicate their wants and needs every day at home, school, play, and it just makes them feel included, and they're engaged and that they are communicating what they want or do not want. So the MMC device, like I mentioned, it's tactile and sensory-based, and it's easy to maneuver. It's very simple to use. It's just basically a cookie sheet, and it's a slant board to make it, easily accessible to read and to grasp it. And I just put cardboard at the top part of it to make it slanted. And then I have magnets on each of your icons and a magnet on the one so that it can stay on the board and for use and to store. So the back of the board is where you can store your interchangeable icons, because you can, interchange these icons. It can be based on feelings, based on play, based on, emotions. It just depends on, what you're using it for. But it's very simple. It's the one is used to transfer and move the icons when they're communicating. This is specifically for students who can pick up and hold things. If they cannot pick up and hold or grasp things, they can use that wand, and place it in their mouth, and then, kind of move and loop it under the textile loop, which is just pipe cleaners. And then again, the back of the slant board stores your additional icons. So how does the MMC device work? So the picture icons are placed on a magnetic board. The student can use his or her finger and wand to pick up appropriate icons when asked a question or to communicate their wants and needs. This can also be, used with an adult. If the student is forming a sentence, the student can place the icons on a magnetic device in the correct format. For example, I want a snack or I feel happy. They just slide them over using the one or the finger. Again, additional icons are stored at the back of the magnetic device for easy access. This can be used at home or school. Let's just say for school, say you have a reading group, and if you want to do WH questions with the student to see, to gauge their comprehension, to see if they're understanding the lesson on reading, you can do that. You can put, whatever, you just have to pre-plan. You have to pre-plan for that story and, have those icons for that, because again, we're going to talk about how they're interchangeable and things that you can also buy for use in your lessons. So you can use it for reading, you can use it for math, you can have numbers and then the addition sign and then equal sign, and then they can move 6 plus 1 equals 7, and you have different numbers at the top so they can move a 1. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So it can be used. And at home, you can do it with homework again. You can do it with basic needs. I'm hungry, I have to go to the bathroom, I'm sleepy. So again, it could be used at home, school, play, wherever that kid needs to be able to communicate their wants or needs. So what is the ease of use for the MMC device? Again, it is very easy to maneuver and very simple to learn. I believe everyone should be trained, including parents, teachers, and paraprofessionals. And I think they should be trained first so they are able to go back and, show and model to the kid how the slant board should be used. Students can use this device independently or hand over hand. Again, they can use their fingers or the wand to pick up the icon. If they cannot, bend their finger, or they have some type of, disability where they can't use their fingers, again, they can use the wand. They can put it in their mouth, and they can use the wand to either tap or point at the icon, or again, they can get it and loop it under that loop with the wand. This is very compact. It's child friendly. It can go anywhere the student goes. It comes in handy because everything is in one place. You have your icons on the front with the one because it's magnetic, as well as interchangeable icons at the back for storage. So, there's at any point you can, change those out. And we'll get into the pricing of making more customized and individualized icons for those kids so that they are able to communicate their wants and needs. Pricing for the MMC device. It's priced at $60. This includes the one and a starter pack of icons. Your starter pack or icons are going to be your basic feelings and wants and needs. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm sleepy, I'm tired, I'm angry, I'm sad. Schools and parents both may purchase additional icons and blank items to customize the device to make it more individualized for that kid. Say that kid enjoys playing sports or likes to go outside. You can individualize it for basketball play or baseball, or individualize it for YouTube time. So, that is what those interchangeable blank icons are for. For parents, in order to, understand the price range and what they can do to, be able to access this device, contact your school first. Contact them. They should be able to purchase a device or get you to the right people to purchase a device. You also may fill out a grant or scholarship or ask your insurance company. For schools, just simply order the device via our website. They can use it with your school funds, or they can write a grant to help buy the device.